In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can wirelessly connect your XM5 to any iPhone model. This will allow you to listen to all of the audio being output on apps, videos, and games on your XM5. You will be able to use them completely wirelessly, and all that you need is Bluetooth. Keep in mind that these same general steps that I talk in this video will also apply for any other devices, so a laptop, a MacBook, a PC, or any device that is capable of using Bluetooth. So all that you have to do to start this is make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. So head over to the settings on that specific device that you want to connect the XM5s to, and then access the Bluetooth options. In here, you will be able to take it so Bluetooth is enabled. And like I mentioned, you can do the same on a PC, a laptop, a MacBook, and so on. Once Bluetooth has been enabled, you will be able to set them into pairing mode, which allows you to connect both devices. Usually, next to the power button, you will see the Bluetooth icon. So you will see the power button and then Bluetooth. All that you have to do is press and hold the power button for around 5 seconds. So press and hold this button down, and eventually you will see this LED flash, indicating that it is now in pairing mode. Once the headphones have been put into pairing mode, you will be able to find them under the list of available devices. So you can choose them from the list and then select the option to connect. And of course, the same can be done on the iPhone or any other device that supports Bluetooth connections. So just select them here and they will remain connected. Now, all of the audio being output on that device will be transferred over to the Sony XM5. You will be able to control the audio, and you don't need to download the Sony app to use them, although it can make the process and the customization a lot better. So I would recommend downloading the Sony app if you want to customize your experience. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.